Hey judges, my name is Alexander. I am in grade 8 in Oakville Christian School, and I am very excited to tell you about my science fair project called Baseball, a Game of Secret Cheaters. I think that this title really reflects my project because a lot of average baseball fans don't know about what goes on behind the scenes in baseball and how a lot of players are actually cheating. Some of this has been exposed this past summer with spider tack and a lot of other foreign substances being discovered that pitchers have been using them to increase their RPMs or spin rate. I chose this project because I love baseball and I'm a pitcher. And I really did want to know more about what was happening. And don't tell them, I wanted to brag to my friends a little bit. But I wanted to know what was happening. I wanted to know why pitchers were cheating, how they were cheating, and if it was actually benefiting them. And it is. The purpose of my project was really to determine which foreign substance a pitcher might use to increase their RPMs. I personally thought spider tack would be the substance that increased RPMs the most, just because it's very sticky, and a lot more stickier substances increased RPMs more. I obtained my information from a lot of sources, which began from a couple of trusted sources that I like to look at a lot just for stats for a lot of different players, and these were ESPN and Sportsnet stats, as well as Baseball Savant. These sources really helped me to start to understand a lot more about this, and they helped me obtain a lot of my first research. The results I found on this part right here were that spider tack did in fact increase RPMs the most, edging out pine tar by just a couple of RPMs. While no substance put on the baseball, that was the one that had the least average RPMs. I also found that there are a couple of pitchers in particular, Trevor Bauer and Garrett Cole, who are most suspect of using these substances. My results can be applied in the real world for a lot of different ways and for a lot of different people. The people that could use these are the Commissioner of Baseball and the MLBPA, which stands for the MLB Players Association. These people can use it to hand out suspensions or fines for people who have been using these substances, and they can use these research and data and results to be able to find different sticky substances that also may be using them that I have not covered. Also, trainers and scientists can use these results to figure out which substance, or if you could make a super substance to increase your RPMs a whole lot. Probably the most difficult part in my project was actually deciding whether I wanted to do an innovation/experiment or a study. I had to choose because I could only do one, and it would have been a lot harder to do an experiment. That's why I chose a study, because a lot of the equipment was like either really expensive or was just plain not available. So I needed to figure out if I was going to do a study, which I did go a study because it's a lot more research in, which I do like. Areas of future research, like I said, could be done to try to either find a super substance or to try to eliminate substances altogether, or make a communal substance that all the pitchers can use so that everyone is on a level playing field and no one's trying to cheat more. I used a scientific method in my project because first I asked a question, then I did some research, made a purpose and a hypothesis, I collected data, and and then I got results, and I analyzed these results to found out a conclusion to see what happened the most. My conclusion is listed on this side of the screen right here, and it is that spider tack does in fact increase the RPMs the most, with the average RPMs of 2278 RPMs, while no substance has the least RPMs with 1907 RPMs. Thank you so much, judges, for watching this and for reading through my projects. I hope you have a great day.